natural philosophy, you understand, is basically science, and natural law is law, right? But the implication here, which is unstated, is that natural philosophy and natural law are extant rules that exist, and the physical laws limit us just as the natural law limits us.
When we say extant rules, they are pre-existing and physical, factual. Is that what you mean?
Yeah, they're laws of the universe.
It's how it is, kids, and it has nothing to do with what I said.
Right. It's that law is a necessity, not a preference. Well, this would only come out of Europeans. It would only come out of pirates because contract law is natural law. The same thing is that why does all international law reduce to tests of reciprocity? Well, it's because nothing else can function. And natural law is just reciprocity, sovereignty and reciprocity. Why? Because nations are sovereign. Well, in the European tradition, every man is his own legislature. His home is his own castle. His family is his own state. And so what's possible between states? Well, what's possible between warriors? What's possible between warlords and warlords? They're states. What's possible? The only thing that's possible is what's rational. What's rational is reciprocity. Sovereignty exists. You don't have to bring it into being when they're warlords. Sovereignty exists de facto. So what is reciprocity? Reciprocity is just the only terms by which it's beneficial to trade. What's truth? Truth is simply a property of reciprocity. It's the only reason to cooperate is under truth, which is sort of like I say, you got to understand the Viking logic. Viking logic is it's way more profitable to trade with you. But if you don't want to trade on truthful reciprocal terms, we'll just kill you and take your stuff.
That's it.
But the problem is people don't understand that's colonialism. Because colonialism is just this same thing Vikings have been doing. Vikings were doing, and their European ancestors and their Indo-European ancestors before them. It's just, I'm coming here to trade. If you can trade, that's great. If you can't trade, we'll make you capable of trade. And if we can't make you capable of trade, we'll eliminate you so that we don't have the problem of getting the resources. Well, that continuity isn't obvious to the world. But you can't cooperate with people you can't cooperate with. It's just, you can't cooperate if you can't cooperate. When you say you can't cooperate, are you saying you're human? Or are you saying you're not yet human?
Well, this is it. See,
that's where, no, I just want to say, that's where the problem came from. The problem comes from you're not capable of cooperating.
You're not cooperating. You're not willing to cooperate or capable of cooperation. Then yes.
Then you're not human. You're an animal.
You're not as a human anymore.
Yep.
This is Genghis Khan. You inspired me to think of Genghis Khan, because it's like Genghis Khan had a cooperative group that treated everybody else like animals. And it's like this: if you can't cooperate, there's a skull pile for you.
Yes.
And it's okay.